Welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we're gonna cover the loop and break function. So in cases where you wanna repeatedly run a specific part of a program, you can use the loop command. In the command, you can see that you can keep on looping, or you can just loop a couple times. So let's say if you wanna stack a box for 10 times, you just change the count to 10. You can also loop when some expression is true. So for example, if some of your sensor controls your robot program, you can use this and control the loop of the program. And you can check the expression continuously. Let's just check it while the loop is running. In other case, if you have multiple other expression and then you want to break the loop or keep on running a loop without skipping a part of a loop, you can use the break command. So you can choose break and continue. Break will just terminate the loop completely, while continue will allow you to skip a portion of your loop and then run the next iteration. Let's say if in this loop your robot didn't pick up some object, you just wanted to reset, you can skip the pick up the object and then put it in the bin area, and then you can continue to just resetting the position and then go to pick the next object. And that's how you use the loop and break function in our robot program. Thank you for watching.